Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show step by step how to increase font size in WhatsApp. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open WhatsApp and click on top right 3 dots. After that you have to click on settings. After coming to the settings, you have to click on chats here. After clicking on the chats, click on the font size here. Here you can see the font size, click on it. After that you have to select your large fonts here. Select the large font here. In this way you can increase the size of fonts in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next interesting video.